Welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's short and very helpful tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install Grok as an app on your Windows PC or laptop. Now, if you've ever wished you could open Grok just like a normal application, without launching your browser every single time, then this is exactly what you need. So take your time, relax, and follow along step by step. All right, let's begin by opening our web browser. For this tutorial, I recommend using Google Chrome. Also, make sure your browser is updated so everything looks just like mine. Once Chrome is open, go ahead and type grok.com in the address bar and press enter. If you're not logged in yet, just go ahead and log into your account. I'm already logged in on my side, so we're good to go. Now, normally when a website supports installation as an app, you'll see a small install icon at the right side of the address bar. As you can see right here, we have it. When you hover over it, it says Install Grok. Simply click on it. As soon as you click it, Chrome will display a pop-up asking if you want to install this as an app. Go ahead and click Install, and just like that, the Grok app is now being installed on your Windows computer. And done. Congratulations, you now have the Grok app installed directly on your PC. No browser needed. It opens in its own clean window, just like any regular desktop application. Let's quickly take a look at the shortcut. If you check your desktop, you'll see a brand new Grok icon waiting for you. You can also find it in the Start menu. Just search for Grok, right-click on it, and you'll have options to pin it to Start or the taskbar. Let me go ahead and pin it to the taskbar. And there it is, neatly pinned and ready to open anytime. Beautiful. Now Grok is just one click away wherever you are on your computer. A clean experience, running outside the browser. Easy to access and super convenient. And there you have it. You've successfully installed the Grok app on your Windows PC or laptop. Simple, right? Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on Zimist Coded. If you found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more simple tech guides, Windows tips, and productivity tricks. Until next time, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.